go. Yeah, that sounds like cylinder 1 or 2.
Great.
Hey, I guess we're dropping off anyway.
Guess I'm buying beer.
And yours, is the Heineken going?
Nope.
It's in the garage. It's been there since Waterfest.
I'll call Scott and tell him to put it in the freezer.
Oh my god, no, that's gonna be dead. Alright, and it's also
So,
like really high.
and also, your shortcoming is on HD. How do you feel? How does that make you feel?
HD!
I just want to get that
That's all I
out.
got.
But guess what?
How's
But
that
guess
a
what?
high definition finger for you,
But guess what? For everybody else that's here, okay? We got to sit in the W12.
Oh!
Eat that shit.
Fuck you! Yeah, I'm a hater. Yeah, I grown up hating. I hate your mama.
I
Hate your mama too.
I should snap shoot that DMX like teeth out. Look.
Full fronts?
All right.